Good morning, sir. This is Yap from Section 2 Group A. Today I'm going to discuss about our simulation. The title for our mini project is to design an electromagnetic pick and place system. So let's start our simulation now. When I press this start push button, C1 extends downward and is ready to pick up an object. Then C1 retracts to pick up an object. At this time, C2 will extend to push C1 to the other side of the conveyor belt, which is located at the right side. Then C1 extends downward to place an object. C1 retracts to its original position. Then C2 will also retract to its original position. We use 4 flow control valves to control the speed of the cylinders during extension and retraction. As you can see, we also insert a stop push button at here. So, during an emergency situation, we can press it and the whole operation will be stopped. Just like this. When I press this, the whole operation will be stopped. And when I press the start push button again, the whole operation will start again. So, when the cycle has been completed, the whole operation will start again if a start push button is pressed. I think that's all from me. Thank you.